Sunny's Face Air Blush. This is a cream to powder formula that seamlessly blends onto your skin. Ang kagandahan nito, this is very light and very natural looking. Meron siyang 12 shades for you to choose from kung ano yung babagay sa inyo and ano yung magugustuhan ninyo. Sa packaging, this one weighs 25 grams and meron na rin siyang mirror. O, diba? Very stylish, very handy, and very sleek. The price is very affordable and very worth it kung i-compare mo dun sa quality na makukuha mo dito. So, try natin, guys. Konti lang ako pag naglagay nito eh. So, yan. Ang kagandahan lang dito sa air blush na to, dito sa blush on na to, hindi siya agad-agad, hindi siya basta-basta nabubura. Ayan, no? Unless buburahin ninyong sadya. Ayan, di ba? It stays for how many hours? Kahit pagpawisan yung face ninyo, and very gentle lang siya sa skin. Hindi siya makate. Hypoallergenic na rin siya. It won't harm your skin. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya sa face. If you are looking for a good quality blush on, you must try this one. Sunny's Face Air Blush. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and for more honest reviews. Thank you and God bless.